Welcome to my YouTube channel Bike Fever 1. Today we are talking about the Kawasaki Ninja 250 in black. Is a stunning combination of stealthy aesthetics and sporty performance. Its sharp, aerodynamic fairing and aggressive design give it a commanding presence on the road, while the deep black finish enhances its sleek and modern look. Powered by a 249cc parallel twin, liquid-cooled engine, it delivers smooth acceleration and responsive throttle control, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced riders. The 6-speed transmission allows for precise gear changes, ensuring a dynamic and enjoyable riding experience. Its lightweight chassis and well-balanced ergonomics provide excellent maneuverability, making it easy to handle in both city traffic and highway cruising. The suspension system, featuring telescopic front forks and a rear monoshock, ensures stability and comfort by absorbing road imperfections. Equipped with front and rear disc brakes, the Ninja 250 offers reliable stopping power for enhanced safety. The digital analog instrument panel provides clear and essential information, keeping the rider informed at all times. The blacked-out wheels, frame, and exhaust add to its aggressive styling, giving it a bold and premium feel. With its combination of performance, efficiency, and eye-catching design, the Ninja 250 in black is a perfect choice for riders who want a sport bike that stands out with both style and substance. Please like my videos and subscribe my channel Bike Fever 1.